Alright guys, second part of the video. I finished washing the car. Now I'm gonna do a startup and somewhat revs of the car. So it's all stock, like I said earlier in the video. It is pushing 200 horsepower stock and V6 3.0 liter. And here we go. Alright guys, so that's stock, but it sounds pretty good, especially when I'm driving. It sounds really good. So here's how it looks washed. Nice and bright, shiny. I haven't cleaned the inside yet, and I haven't cleaned the rims yet, but I did a quick wash with the spray bottle that I just picked up earlier for a quick wash and rinse from McGuire's. So I mean, it works pretty good. And then after I washed it, I took it out. Had to go to the store real quick, but so now I'm just gonna clean these up. I still gotta vacuum the inside, and you guys will have a lot more videos to come. So hopefully you guys like this and will follow along. I had the 06 Cobalt LS in the playlist, and then I had the health and fitness in a separate playlist. Now I'm gonna make the eclipse playlist and then keep putting the videos in there. It'll be in my regular video log, but I'm gonna add it on to my playlist also. So if you guys just want to go through the playlist, then you can follow along, and I'll work on keeping everything separate as possible. So you guys keep staying safe, and I'll see you on the next video.